Good afternoon, Valpo. As we finish up this week here and we finish up our midterm exams and move into spring break, temperatures don't seem like they're going to be responding in the way that we want them to. Near record low temperatures for your Thursday night and perhaps your Friday night as well. And we're still going to be below average for this time of year as we move into spring break. But if you like snow, maybe we might be getting some snow Saturday night into Sunday. So perhaps there's a little bit of good in this forecast here. Let's take a look here at our RPM forecast model. Looking at Thursday morning, lake effect snow for northeastern Illinois, and as we move into Thursday evening, perhaps a lake effect snow band setting up for our area, and if it persists, we could see a couple inches from that snowfall. Looking at Friday and Saturday though, conditions are generally clear for most of the area, some perhaps lake enhanced cloud cover for them in western Michigan, but apart from that, pretty nice conditions as far as precip and cloud cover are concerned. Looking at the bigger picture here again, that lake effect snow setting up across the area, and you can see out here to the west something brewing here. This is the next disturbance that's going to be moving through the area and perhaps bringing some more accumulating snowfall. We're going to have to keep an eye on that though as that system evolves through time. The big story here though is going to be those temperatures. They can't seem to be making it up to average for this time of year, which is about 39 or 40 degrees. So hopefully soon these temperatures are going to get warmer, but for now we're going to be sticking around the teens and the single digits and perhaps below zero for our Thursday night. You can see here moving into Thursday night, the overnight into Friday morning, temperatures are going to be quite low for most of the area. You can see the general Valparaiso area here staying a little bit warmer, and that's according to our RPM forecast model, but put that in comparison to the GFS here, Valparaiso is getting to about the lower teens for the high, and for the low getting down to the single digits, perhaps the negative digits for our area. So you can see here that the models here differ a little bit in temperatures. Regardless, we're going to be seeing some cool temperatures for Thursday night and Friday. The winds here are going to be quite moderate for most of the area. You can see 10 to 15 miles an hour for the general area here, and after that they're going to be light and variable for your Friday and for your Saturday. Regardless though, here with winds and with cold temperatures, we have to think about wind chill as well. Your Thursday morning wind chills look like they're going to be generally in the single digits, and looking at Thursday afternoon, same story here. But moving into Thursday evening, that's when we could be seeing some definitely low wind chills here. So you need to be definitely bundling up as you go outside Thursday evening, Friday morning, Friday evening as well. Temperatures could be below zero, and with that wind, you're going to get really cold really fast if you're not properly dressed. Looking here though again at your Thursday forecast, 15 degrees is what we're expecting generally for our area. Cloudy conditions and winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, depending on where that lake effect snow band sets up, we could be seeing a couple inches in our general vicinity, but the bigger concern here is going to be those near record low temperatures as temperatures get down into the single digits, perhaps even below zero. For the 26th of February, the record low temperature is 1 degree, so we may definitely see temperatures getting close to that. Winds are going to be out of the northeast at 10 miles an hour, shifting northwest as we move through the overnight hours. For your Friday, again, teens are what we're expecting, and that's still well below average for this time of year. We're supposed to be at about 39 or 40 degrees. Looking here at the big picture, Friday evening, a low of -5 perhaps, which would set another record, seeing that for the 27th of February, we're supposed to be, or the record low temperature was -1 degree. A slight rebound as we move into the weekend, and with that we might have a little bit of accumulating snow on Sunday. We're going to have to check that as far as we move through into the weekend. And then Monday and Tuesday, perhaps getting close to freezing, but again, that is still well below average for this time of year. So as you finish up exams and as we move into the first couple days of spring break, it's not going to feel like it. So don't put those coats and don't put those sweaters away just yet. I'm Jesse Treptow here, wishing you all a great rest of your Thursday.